Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn how to use moving average envelopes. What are moving average envelopes? The goal of using moving averages is to identify trend changes. While moving averages are a useful tool to have in your technical analysis toolbox, they can be susceptible to providing false signals. Like you have learned in previous lessons on moving averages, a simple buy signal occurs when price close above the moving average, and a simple sell signal occurs when the price close below the moving average. For example, let's say Euro USD is moving upward and closes above a moving average, signaling an entry to go long. How do you know that this bullish trend is real and will continue? So, assuming you still want to go long, you have two options. Option number one, go long now based on the original entry signal. Price closed above MA. Option 2, wait for more confirmation that the trend is legit. This is where moving averages envelopes MAE can help. What are moving average envelopes? A moving average envelope consists of a moving average and two other lines. One line is above the moving average and the other line is below the moving average. Together, these two lines form an upper and lower envelope as shown in the image. Moving average envelopes are used to confirm trend, identify overbought and oversold conditions. How to calculate moving average envelopes? First, decide whether you want to use a simple moving average or the exponential moving average EMA. Remember, EMA has less lag because they put more weight on recent prices. Then, select the number of time periods you wish to apply. Lastly, set the percentage value you would like to use for the envelopes. For example, a 10-day moving average with a 1% envelope would show the following lines. Upper envelope 10-day SMA plus 10-day SMA into 0.01. 10-day SMA for a lower envelope would be 10-day SMA minus 10-day SMA into 0.01. The chart below shows Euro USD with a 10-day SMA and 1% envelopes. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.